Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my another episode, and today I'm gonna show you how to use kick to open sensor, and other people call it kick activator or kick opener, hands-free, tailgate, liftgate opener. Doesn't matter, it works well. Awesome gadget. I love it. I installed it in my car and you guys will love it as well. Also, your car needs to have comfort access key. If your car doesn't have it, just contact us and we can also order it for you. It's plug and play and we have for most of the vehicles: BMW, Mercedes, Audi. In today's video I'm gonna show you on Mazda CX-5 2018, but technically you can install it on any cars with power tailgate or with the spring that pulls the trunk lid up, or you can upgrade it. You know, it's everything upgradable right now, and if you don't have it, just let us know. We'll hook you up and let you know what you need. So this particular car has a power tailgate. It was originally installed from the factory, so all we just installed kick to open trunk release. If you call it that, it's just long name, but yeah, it's hands-free kick to open it. Name it, you know, put it in the comment. How would you name this? So yeah, it can work on any cars with tailgate or just regular sedan cars. And also, if you don't have a power tailgate, we can also pre-order it for you. Just let us know what vehicle model you have and we can get it for you. With no further ado, let's look how it works. So I'm locking the vehicle as normal with the key fob, and closing tailgate. And I'm locking the vehicle. Let's pretend keys in my pocket. I approached the car, straight kick under the bumper and tailgate would open. Then you can close the tailgate with a push button on the tailgate itself. Let me lock the vehicle again. Straight kick under the bumper, just, you know, less than 2 seconds. And manufacturer also says that you don't have to use it like in less than 10 seconds. To use the same kick opener to lock the trunk, you need to pull the tailgate a little bit down before you grabbing anything from the trunk, and then you kick under the bumper. I don't know why, maybe it's for the security reason. On Mazda, maybe on your vehicle will be different, but here you actually, yes, you need to pull the tailgate like ½ inch down before closing the tailgate. So let me demonstrate it again. I'm closing the tailgate with the key fob. Approaching the vehicle, straight kick under the bumper. Tailgate is opening. I pull the tailgate a little bit down, then grabbing trunk organizer and then closing the vehicle. As you can see, it's awesome feature, works great and worth every penny. CarsGadget only sells gadgets that we tested ourselves and proven to work, and you can find the links to those projects in the description down below. Alright guys, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.